lovely people. Have a good day to all of you. I'm Silent Solomon and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm here in Rail Corridor. It's a 24-kilometer long rail corridor with continuous green passage that allows wildlife movement with major green spaces. So here we go, guys. Stay with me. Enjoy watching my videos as I brought to you the amazing and beautiful place, the rail corridor.
可以嘞，但后面比较美啊，后面因为它的是洞白，你后面你要站这边啊，你不要遮住那个。
Hi guys, this is the story of the rail corridor. Hi guys, today I'm here in Rail Corridor, Bukit Timah railway station. Look at this, guys, it's really beautiful and a lot of people today. This is called former yard. There used to be a rectangular hip roof building of this location as seen in the photograph below. And this is called, guys, Kampong Garden. And this is called railway staff quarters. I think that one, guys, that quarters is called the railway staff quarters. And this is the railway, guys, and the train. It's beautiful, guys. Look at this. Hi guys, today I'm here in Rail Corridor. Yeah, look at this, guys. It's so beautiful. It's amazing, right, guys? It's amazing and beautiful place, guys. Look at that. I'm just continue walking into the pathway, guys. There's actually a lot of people here today. Actually, this way is 24-kilometer continuous green passage. It's me, guys, as I'm walking into the pathway. There's a lot of people also, guys, here today, and bikers. Look at this, guys. It's beautiful and the weather is so good. It's amazing. There's a lot of tallest trees here also, guys. It's so refreshing, guys, really. Well, guys, if you love nature, this place is really good for you. It's good for walking, hiking, and biking. For families also, it's amazing. It's actually beautiful, guys. Look at that view. It's amazing. And it's me. I'm walking. I'm just enjoying the nature, guys. Look at that, a lot of people today. It's actually quite nice walking with this beautiful and amazing place and nature. Hi guys, thank you for watching my videos. I hope that you will help me to support and subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell for more videos updates. See you guys in my next vlog. Have a God bless day everyone. Take care guys. Bye. I love you.